Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today in this video, I will show you about different hairstyle along with different hair colors. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you. Colorful hairstyles are a vibrant and creative way to express one's individuality and personality. They involve the use of various vivid and unconventional hair colors to create striking and eye-catching looks. Here are some popular colorful hairstyles. Rainbow hairs. These styles incorporates a full spectrum of the colors, resembling a rainbow. Each section of the hair is dyed in a different shade, creating a vibrant and playful effect. Pastel hair. Pastel shaded such as soft pink, blue and purples are applied to the hair to create a delicate and dreamy look. It often gives a whimsical and ethereal vibe. Gradient hair. These styles involve a seamless transitions of colors, usually from a darker shade at the roots to a lighter shade at the ends. It can be done with a single color or multiple colors. Mermaid hair. Inspired by the ocean's hues, mermaid hair features shades of blue, green, and purple. This style mimics the enchanting colors found in underwater environments and can be achieved with various techniques like balayage or highlights. Neon hairs. Neon colors such as electric blue, neon pink, or vibrant green are used to create a bold and attention-grabbing look. This style is perfect for those who want to make a strong statement with their hairs. Lovely viewers, this video is all about hairstyles with the different colors. Thank you.